Welcome. I've done a previous video on this Amcrest Video Doorbell, and I'll put a link in the description of that. And this was provided to me by Amcrest, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful, I'll put a link in the description of this on Amazon, and if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So what I'm going to do is ring the doorbell, and I'm recording my phone, and someone will answer it on the other end, and I'm going to show what that is like. Okay, so I'm going to press the doorbell here.
Hello?
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 Hi, I have your pizza.
Oh, okay, I'll be right there.
Now, can you hit the record button on your screen right now?
Yeah?
In the lower right? So that should record the conversation.
Okay.
Okay. So now you can end the call. I'll come inside because I have water dripping on my iPad. Thank you. Okay, so I tried to hit the record button and have it save some video, and I'm not sure that worked properly. Maybe I needed to quit the video first because I started recording and then we ended the call, but it didn't seem to save that video clip. So I have another clip here where I actually go outside in the dark and do it. I just recorded it, and I tried recording it there, and it recorded two 20-second samples. So I'll play that video now. Hello, could I get some pizza? Recording video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I wasn't counting right. Okay, I'm going to stop recording, and now I'm going to end the call.
Hello, could I get some pizza? Recording. And now I'm going to end the call.
Okay, so I had stopped the recording and it kept recording, so I'm not sure. But aside from that, this seems to work fairly well. When you ring the doorbell, it comes up on the phone, you tap it, and it connects right up, and you can talk to the person. So there's a little bit of a delay there, and I added a little text on the screen of what the delay was. I measured it out, and that was earlier in this video, and I expected that it would have a delay. So I just wanted to make this quick video of this specific feature. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.